What's up, sweetie? Come on, sir. Morning, dog.
Right, a diesel. Jasper! Yo! Run out of diesel!
Coming!
Might be a good idea to put some fuel in the quad also. This one does bring us the other carburetor for the other quad. Then I can start using the trailer. No, maybe not. No, filters. I hope that fits, it's a big one. And a new thing for the fuel on off tap. So, no carburetor. Ah. Let's see if we can get rid of this fuel. I think it's down at the other land. Where's that freaking fuel? Last time it was here. Oh, I know already. They're both empty, Richard. We better go back and get some fuel then. Let's go. I guess this is gonna be a big bill. Vanessa is also very, very thirsty. Maybe the fuel prices have gone up. That was 220 euros in diesel. €2.18 per liter. I got 100 liters. Beautiful days here in central Portugal, guys. Very nice. Fuel delivery. It's too wet here. Yeah. Quite a big area though.
Yes.
Three days ago this was all completely overgrown.
Don't.
You have people who hug trees and you have people who hug diesel. No, I didn't.
I heard it go over.
No.
Can you hear it go over?
The fighter jet. I have them on the camera.
I thought it was a drone. He said he was getting the drone up.
You should have seen them on the video. Crazy loud. They came over really low. I didn't realize. We cannot automatically prime the fuel pump with Dougie here.
You might do, I don't know.
No, not automatically. Manually.
Oh man, yeah.
Find a chainsaw.
Yeah. Yeah. That's the first thing I looked for when I got down here.
We lost a little chainsaw yesterday.
We?
I lost a little. Sorry, Rich. Richard found it. It was a joint operation. I made it get lost and Richard made it get found.
For some reason I thought I picked it up with the digger.
Yeah, you never know. What? No. You're just gonna give it a go?
No, I know, it won't start.
Won't start? Come on, Dougie. Come on, Dougie.
Water or diesel?
Oh.
I'm pretty sure it's not diesel, water, because I drained it out.
No, some more bubbles is coming. No, just a little bubbles.
Hey?
Just a little bubbles. You need me to get anything?
I don't know, is it?
Yeah, just tell me what you need and I'll go for it.
17mm spanner
Uh-huh.
and a 17mm, 8mm and the adjustable.
17mm spanner, 8mm spanner,
And the adjustable.
and then an adjustable. That's it?
What we got there.
17 and 8, remember guys?
Yep.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. Yep.
You have a screwdriver and stuff if you need to take
Yeah,
the
I've got
filter
a
off?
screwdriver.
Be right back.
Okie dokie.
Eight. 15. 17. Adjustable. Adjustable. Was that fast or what? Hey, that reminds me of the good old days.
I thought these days are gone.
Spending days under duck days. Spending hours under duck days. Let's get this baby running again. What's on the other side here? What, we need to bleed more?
Okay. If you carry on pumping,
Okay.
just watch your fingers. You're not anywhere near any moving parts, are you?
No.
Just in case it sucks you in.
Suck me.
Sucks you in and spits you out.
One want to be sucked in.
Come on. On there, that's on flat out mode. Come on, what's the matter with you? What's the matter with you? Is that still full, that bowl?
Yeah. Back on the road. On the soil.
There goes Jasper, the fuel tank.